the feedback. It's very low. We don't have very good information. We prefer to have longer tests, but at least you can see what's the test about, and you can understand a little bit more. Try to just walk. It won't, this is the maximum speed, so no walk. You can remove the hands. Good. Go ahead. It's just 30 seconds, so...
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Till the end. Now it's reducing, very good. Okay, just stop. And immediately we have the software, the board, it's giving us the information. What we can see in terms of range of motion, we are the same, so we don't have any deficit in there. Overload as well, you are balanced, but because also it took a little while.
But I am having a little bit pain on left side.
In left side. So in terms of range of motion is fine, but we can see that your step length is shorter on the left.
Okay.
So this one is good info to now go and perform some exercises to balance your distance while you walk or you do the exercises, and we can retest again immediately after or the next day. I mean, we'll try to reduce and to improve this distance. In your case, that will be the major thing, as I can see now. Then we need to analyze more things, especially you tell me you feel pain, you have some issues then.